have a smile.
Look at his smile.
Your clothes may be from money. They stand out on my broken. You're never fully dressed without a smile. Who cares what they're wearing? From Main Street to Savile Row. It's what you wear from ear to ear, and not from head to toe. That matters. So tender, so tender, so long for a while, and you're never fully dressed, though you may wear the best. You're never fully dressed without a smile.
Amazing! You do it so well! You guys are so great!
Get your hugs!
All right, go get your hugs! Oh, that was amazing! I'm so impressed! You didn't do it all!
Isn't that cool?
And imagine what it'll look like after another few weeks.
I know. So the very last week we'll do all of the songs that we learned.
Good job, guys! Can you say thank you to Amy?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome! We'll see you all next week.